Welcome to Autopulse News. Let's start latest automotive news. Number 1. Bajaj Auto launches Chetak 3001 at rupees 1 lakh. Bajaj Auto has launched its latest entry-level electric scooter, the Chetak 3001, priced at rupees 99,990 ex-showroom. This model is based on the Chetak 35 series platform and replaces the earlier 2903 variant. It is equipped with a 3 kilowatt battery offering a claimed range of up to 127 km. A key update includes repositioning the battery to the floorboard, resulting in 35 liters of under-seat storage. Bookings are now open across Bajaj dealerships and deliveries are expected to begin by month end. Number 2. TVS Motor rides into Indonesian EV market with locally assembled iQube. TVS Motor Company has made its entry into Indonesia's electric two-wheeler market with the launch of its flagship e-scooter, the iQube, marking a strategic move to expand its presence across Southeast Asia. The iQube will be assembled locally at TVS East Karawang facility, allowing the company to tap into government incentives aimed at promoting domestic EV production. Bookings have opened at an introductory price of IDR 29.9 million, roughly rupees 1.6 lakh, positioning the e-scooter as a competitive player in Indonesia's urban mobility segment. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz India launches EQS 580 Celebration Edition at rupees 1.3 crore. Mercedes-Benz India has launched the EQS 580 4MATIC Celebration Edition at Rs 1.3 crore, limited to just 50 exclusive units. The edition features luxurious rear executive seats with 38-degree recline massage and lumbar support, full Napa leather upholstery and M-Box AR navigation. It boasts a segment-leading range of over 800 km, the highest among BEVs in India. This launch reflects growing customer demand for high-end electric luxury vehicles. Mercedes-Benz continues to strengthen its top-end BEV portfolio, outpacing market growth, says MD and CEO Santosh Iyer. Third Gen Q3 new design tech and plug-in hybrid power. Audi has officially pulled the wraps of the third generation Q3, revealing a sharper, more athletic SUV packed with cutting-edge tech and a broader powertrain lineup. The 2026 Q3 marks a significant design evolution. Upfront, the SUV sports a more aggressive single-frame honeycomb grille finished in black, flanked by sleek split LED headlamps with matrix projector units and pixelated DRLs. Inspired by the new Q5, the refreshed front end lends the Q3 a sportier, more planted stance. Aerodynamic tweaks, including redesigned air intakes, help the SUV achieve a drag coefficient of 0.3. Davidson recalls over 82,000 Softail motorcycles over safety defect. Harley Davidson is recalling over 82,000 motorcycles due to a critical safety defect as per a June 12, 2025 notice by the US NHTSA. The recall impacts several Softail models manufactured between 2018 and 2024. The issue involves a potential breakage of the rear shock preload adjuster's mounting tab, which may cause it to contact and damage the rear tire. This can lead to a loss of tire pressure, significantly increasing the risk of a crash. The company is expected to take corrective actions to resolve the safety concern. Support our channel by liking, sharing and subscribing. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.